Good morning or afternoon, my sweets, whenever you are watching this. What I need you to do is grab your packet and you're going to open up to Friday. So happy Friday, my sweets. Right behind Friday, let me move my cursor out of the way. Right behind Friday, you are going to see a math paper and a baggie with some different color squares in it. All you're going to do is tear that off. And you are going to put your packet to the side. Sounded like my paper ripped. And you just need your baggie. So I'm going to scooch this and put it down here, and I'm going to come and sit on the floor by you. And what we're going to do today is we're going to practice ordinal position, so that position in line, first through sixth. So before you knew first, second, third. So now we're going to learn fourth, fifth, and sixth. So my loves, what you're going to do is open up your baggie. Parents, you can keep these for your children if you notice that they really struggle with this. You can use these to practice. So just set your baggie aside. If you were at school, I tell you to put it on your name tag. And you have 6 different colors, so you can just set them out on the table. And I'm going to tell you which one to put first, second. We're going to put them in order, okay? So my sweets, today I want you to put the yellow square first. So remember, we always start over here on the left. So I want you to slide the yellow square and put the yellow square first. Then I would like you to put the black square second. Then I would like you to put the orange square third. And then I would like you to put the red square fourth. And then I would like you to put the green square fifth. And then the blue square last or sixth. Okay, so if we start here, I want you to count with me. We're going to count saying first, second, third. We're going to keep going. Ready? Touch and count, set, go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Let's do that one more time. Ready? Go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. All right, my sweets, here's what I'm going to do. If you were here at school, I would ask all of you, and then you would raise your hand, because when we're at school, remember, you can't just talk, because there's lots and lots of kids. And so if you would like to answer, you raise your hand, and then I get to pick you. So if you were here, I would say raise your hand and tell me who is fourth. So I want you to tell your grown-up that you're sitting next to, or tell me, talk to the computer, who is fourth? What color is fourth in my line? Let's double check, see if you're right. Ready? Count with me, go. First, second, third, fourth. Say red is fourth. Good. Who is sixth? I'm going to give you time to find sixth. Who is sixth? What color is sixth? Let's count. Let's find out. Start with first over here on the left. Ready? Go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Blue is sixth. Awesome. Who's second? Let's see. Count with me. Ready? Go. First, second. Say black is second. All right. Now, my loves, what I would like you to do is I would like you to take the yellow and move it to the back. They look like this. Right, who is third in my line? Who's third? Count. Now black's first, right? So count with me. Ready, set, go. First, second, third. Who's third? Yeah, no, red's third. Okay, who is fifth? Who's fifth? Let's see, count with me. We start here with black. They're first. Ready, set, go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Who's fifth? Blue, you got it. Who is first in my line? Black. I would like to show you something. You don't need to, oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to bump the table. You don't need to do anything, okay? I'm gonna put these on here. If we were at school, I would be using magnets on the whiteboard, but I'm just gonna do it this way. Who is first? Who did we say was first in line? You don't have to do anything. I'm just showing you something. Who's first? Yeah, black. What number goes with first? The number 1. That's the first person in line. 1. Who's second? First. Second, orange. What number goes with second? Yeah, 2. Who's third? Let's see. Count with me. Ready? First, second, third. Red is third. What number goes with third? 3. Oh, I gotta remember backwards. Okay, sorry, this is hard to do upside down. Here we go. Ooh, that is huge and yucky. Writing upside down is really not that easy, boys and girls. Here we go. Okay, who's fourth? Let's count. First, second, third, fourth. What number goes with fourth? What number do you hear in fourth? Yeah, 4. Okay, who's fifth? Let's count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. What does fifth sound like? What number does fifth sound like? Yeah, 5. Okay. And who is sixth? Count with me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This way. Sixth. All right. So my loves, when we are counting first through sixth, it's really just like positions 1 through 6 in line, okay? Say it one more time with me. First. You can touch your squares. Ready? Go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Awesome. All right, my loves. What I would like you to do is I would like you to put your hand out. I want you to put the color that is fourth in your hand. Who's fourth? Let's find out. First, second, third, fourth. Put green in your hand. You can slide these 2 over. I want you to put the color that is fifth in your hand. Let's find fifth. Ready, go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Ooh, yellow's fifth. Put yellow in your hand. Now I want you to put the number that is fourth in your hand. Who's fourth now? Count with me. Ready, go. First, second, third, fourth. Put fourth in your hand. Now I want you to put the number or the color who is third in your hand. Find third. Ready, go. First, second, third. Put red in your hand. I want you to put the color that is second in your hand. Find second. Ready, go. First, second. And who is first in my line? Who's left? And black. Put black in your hand. All right, my loves, you're going to put all of these in your baggie. And keep these in a safe place because you can use these to practice. Parents, you can use these anytime to practice this with your child. This comes up a lot on math tests, and not just one math test, but a lot of them. And usually this is where children get a lot wrong. It's like 5 points off for each one that they get wrong. So these are good to keep and practice with at home. So I'm going to set those aside. My loves, what you're going to do now is you're going to open up to this page. 22, I'm sorry, you just ripped off your shapes. So you need this page, your pencil, and your crayons. 22, you just ripped your squares off there, your colors. 22. You need a pencil and your crayons. And the first thing we do is we write our name at the top and then stop. You got it. Here we go. Nice and neatly with your pencil. Awesome. Park your pencil. Squish this down just a little bit. There we go. All right. Oh, what number is that? Yesterday we did 19. What comes after 19? It is the last number on your name tag. Let's count. Let's start at 10. Ready? Go. 1, 2. Say silly, Mrs. Barch. Oh boy, I'm just like, okay. Woo! Sometimes teachers make mistakes and you just get to laugh at me and then don't make me feel bad, but then just, we got a lot on our brains as grown-ups. So sometimes we just do goofy things. This is not a 1. I know that's a 10. We're counting here. Count with me starting at 10. Ready? Go. 10, 11, I can count. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, when we start learning to count by tens, and we start counting on our hundreds chart when we are back in school, whenever we get to a T number, we drink a cup of tea. So you pretend like you have a cup of tea and go, so when you get to 20, I want you to say 20 and then drink your tea. Because the 0 and the 20 looks like a cup of tea. And we don't say teen with an N. Teen. No, it's tea, like a cup of tea. 20. So I want you to trace your 2 20s, and you only have to make 20 one time. All right. You know what to do. Go. Make sure your 2 curves all the way down to the bottom, and your 0 goes all the way from the top to the bottom. You can keep your pencil in your hand because you know what I'm going to tell you to do next. All right, my loves, how many 10s are in the number 20? How many full towers of 10? Which number's in the tens place? Yeah, the 2. So above the 2, you're going to write a T for 10s. There are 2 10s. Which number's in the ones place? How many extras? And 0. So we're going to write an O for ones. Park your pencil. Good job. Here's our story problem that we're going to solve today. It says Carlos had 7 baseball cards. He gave 3 cards to his friend. Oh, that was sweet. Draw a picture to show what happened. It says Carlos had 7 baseball cards. What shape is a baseball card? Do you know? A long time ago, people used to collect baseball cards. But a card is the shape of like a rectangle, a square. We need to draw 7 baseball cards. Now, drawing rectangles might be tricky. So let's make B's instead. Rectangles are really hard. Sometimes kids have trouble with that. And then you just have lines all over creation. Baseball starts with a B. So let's make 7 B's because that's easy. So we're going to go down, trace up belly to the right. 7 B's. Whisper, go, you need 7. Go. Seven letter B's. Let's double check, make sure we have 7. Double check with me, ready, set, touch your paper, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, you did it. Then it says he gave 3 of them, 3 baseball cards away to his friend. That was very kind of him, wasn't it? He's sharing. So if he gave 3 away, what do we need to do to show that he lost those 3? And we're going to cross them off. And where do we start crossing them off from? from the back. So we're going to start back here. Take your pencil, cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep your pencil in your hand. It says, how many baseball cards does Carlos have now? Use your pencil, touch and count underneath your B's. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now he only has 4. So on this little line, we need to write a 4. Now he only has 4 cards. That's okay. He was being nice and sharing. All right, it says how many apples are in each row. Keep your pencil in your hand. You can touch and count each apple. Touch the top with me. You can put a little dot with your pencil in it. It's fine. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to write a number 4 on this line. Make sure the bottom of it sits on that line. How many apples in the next row? 1. So we're going to write the number 1. Touch and count the next row of apples. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out here we need to write the number 5. Down and around to the bottom line. Give it a hat. Now we're going to count these apples on here in the bottom row. Ready? Go. 1, 2. We're going to write a 2. Make sure your 2 doesn't look like an S. Doesn't look like an S. I'm struggling today. Whew. Sorry, boys and girls, my speaking. It says use a red crayon to color the apples in the row with the most. Okay, so talk about your red. And then you need to tell me who has the most. Which row has the most? You can look at the apples in the graph, or you can look at the numbers. Who has the most? Who has the biggest amount of apples? 5. 5 has the most amount of apples. So you could color each little apple. I'm just going to color this whole row. Stay in the lines. You don't want to color out of this row of 5 apples into the other ones. Because otherwise, if you were at school, you could get that marked wrong. Because maybe I would think that you think 2 is the most. And it's not. Okay? Awesome. Put your red away. Then it says you need your, actually keep your red out. Keep it out. You need your green. It says use a green crayon to color the apples in the row with the fewest. Who has the fewest apples? The smallest amount of apples. What's the littlest number up there? Number 1. Color this one apple green. No yellow apples today. Okay, put your green away. I had you keep your red out because number 4 says color the squares red. Right, where do you see a square? All the sides are the same. 4 sides, 4 angles, right? Is this a square? Circle. Is this a square? Triangle. Is this a square? Yes. Is this a square? Circle. Is this a square? Color that one red. All right. You can put your red away. And then you need your pencil. It says, how many squares did you color? Touch and count them. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. So we need to write a 3 on this line. Keep your pencil in your hand. It says circle the 6th shape. Ooh, circle it. We need to find 6th. This is my left hand, so first starts over here. Count with me. Find 6th. Ready, go. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Circle it. Keep your pencil in your hand. It says put an X on the 4th shape. All right, starting here with 1st. We're finding 4th. Ready, go. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Put an X on that shape. Keep your, oh no, we don't want this. It says take out your yellow. It says color the 5th shape yellow, 5th. So you have your yellow. We're gonna find 5th. Ready? Touch and count, go. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Color this one yellow. All right, my loves, you did a great job. What you're gonna do is ask your grown-up to take a picture of 22 and upload it to the blue math folder. Happy Friday, my sweets. You made it to the end of another week. I love you. Have a great weekend and enjoy your 2 days at home of no school and no homework. I'm proud of you. Thank you for always working so hard.